YouTube content takes time. But what if I told you AI could run your whole channel for you? From video ideas, to titles, thumbnails, and even scripts, ChatGPT is the content strategist I didn't know I needed. In this episode of the AI CEO series, I'm going to break down exactly how ChatGPT runs my YouTube channel, helps me stay consistent, keeps my content relevant, and most importantly, how it helps me grow this channel without burning out. So whether you're just starting out or you've been grinding for a while, this video is going to change how you think about YouTube. Let's get into it. Okay, let's be real for a second. Planning YouTube content every single week, it's a grind. Coming up with fresh ideas, writing scripts, creating engaging thumbnails, it's a lot to juggle, especially when you're trying to build a business at the same time. I knew there had to be a better way. I'd been hearing all the buzz about ChatGPT and AI, and I thought, why not put it to the test? Could AI actually handle the demands of a YouTube channel? So I decided to do an experiment. I gave ChatGPT a very specific task: act as my personal YouTube strategist for my finance channel. The goal? To see if it could actually help me create high-quality content that people actually want to watch. And let me tell you, the results were pretty mind-blowing. We're talking about going from feeling overwhelmed and creatively drained to feeling organized, inspired, and actually excited about my content again. And the best part? It only took a few well-crafted prompts to get there. Now I know what you're thinking. Can AI really handle something as nuanced as YouTube strategy? And the answer is a resounding yes, but there's a trick to it. You have to know how to speak its language. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. How to actually get ChatGPT to generate those fire video ideas. Here's the prompt I used. Act like a top YouTube strategist. Give me a month of high-traffic video ideas for a personal finance channel focused on AI tools and passive income. See what I did there? I set the stage by giving ChatGPT a specific role to play. I wasn't vague. I told it exactly what I wanted: high-traffic video ideas. And I got specific about my niche: personal finance, AI tools, and passive income. And you know what? ChatGPT delivered. Within seconds, I had a list of 15 clickable video ideas. Ideas like, this AI tool makes me $100 a day, no experience needed. Top 5 AI tools to build wealth in 2025. Even how ChatGPT built my YouTube channel strategy. The ideas were not only relevant to my niche, but they were also phrased in a way that I knew would grab my audience's attention. It's like ChatGPT understood exactly what my viewers wanted to see. Trust me, it's a game changer. Okay, so we've got the video ideas, but now we need to make them pop, right? We need titles that make people stop scrolling and thumbnails that practically beg to be clicked. And guess what? ChatGPT has become my secret weapon for this too. I take each video idea and hit it with this prompt. Write me a clickable title and suggest thumbnail text in 5 words or less. And let me tell you, this thing understands clickbait in the best way possible. For example, remember that idea, this AI tool makes me $100 a day, no experience needed. ChatGPT turned it into, lazy AI side hustle, earn $350 a day effortlessly. Thumbnail, I made $350 in my sleep. See the difference? It's still the same core idea, but it's phrased in a way that's way more intriguing. It combines curiosity, lazy AI side hustle, with proof-based storytelling. I made $350 in my sleep. You have to make yours stand out. Full script writing from blank page to YouTube ready. Now this is where ChatGPT truly blew my mind. I used to dread staring at a blank page, trying to structure my videos, come up with engaging hooks. It was a whole thing. But with ChatGPT, let's just say those days are long gone. Here's the prompt I used to get a full YouTube script. Write a YouTube script in 9 chapters, 8 to 12 minutes for this video title. Insert video title. And get this, it didn't just spit out a wall of text. It gave me a structured script, broken down into chapters, each with its own purpose and flow. We're talking about attention-grabbing hooks at the beginning of each chapter, a clear step-by-step format that's easy for viewers to follow, natural transitions between points, and even calls to action sprinkled throughout. Instead of spending hours, even days, agonizing over my script, I had a first draft ready in minutes. YouTube Shorts plus repurposing plan, ChatGPT, the content multiplier. Alright, so we've got our long-form video locked and loaded. But what about shorts? We all know how important those are for growth right now. Well, guess what? ChatGPT has a plan for that too. I asked it, create 5 YouTube Shorts ideas from this long-form video, insert video title. And it delivered with ideas like a strong 15-second teaser to hook viewers at the beginning of my long-form video, a quick tip or hack that I share in the video, a demo of one of the AI tools I mentioned, a powerful stat or quote that will make people stop and think, and even a mini transformation story of how AI has changed my YouTube game. But it gets better. It didn't just give me the ideas, it also gave me hashtags for each short to maximize discoverability, engaging captions to keep people hooked, and even a suggested hook for each one to start strong. Scheduling and publishing, conquering the content calendar. Okay, so we've got all this amazing content, right? But now we need to make sure it actually gets seen, and that means consistency. But let's be real, sticking to a content schedule? It's tough. Life happens, motivation dips, but ChatGPT has actually helped me stay on track more than ever before. Here's how. I asked it to create a 4-week posting schedule for both long-form videos and shorts. And here's what it came up with. Mondays long-form videos to start the week strong, Tuesdays and Thursdays, shorts to keep the momentum going, Fridays a community post or poll to engage with my audience. It allows me to show up consistently without feeling like I'm chained to my laptop. Channel SEO and description optimization, getting found by the right people. Now, all of this amazing content is useless if people can't find it, right? That's where SEO comes in. And yes, you guessed it, ChatGPT has become my secret SEO weapon. It helped me revamp my entire channel to be more search-friendly. We're talking about my channel description, my about page bio, and even the default video descriptions that I use for every upload. I asked ChatGPT, write a compelling and SEO-optimized channel description that highlights the benefits of my channel, and it came back with, your channel helps viewers unlock financial freedom with AI-powered tools and smart money strategies. Monetization planning, turning content into cash flow. Okay, let's talk about the reason we're all here, making money from our YouTube channels. And you better believe ChatGPT has some wisdom to share on this topic too. I asked it, give me monetization options for my AI and personal finance channel. And it broke it down into 3 tiers. Tier 1, AdSense, the foundation. ChatGPT reminded me to focus on high CPM niches like finance and tech to maximize my earnings. Tier 2, affiliate marketing. This is where things get interesting. ChatGPT suggested promoting relevant tools and resources that I already use and love. Tier 3, digital products. ChatGPT suggested creating and selling my own products like prompt packs for ChatGPT, financial planners and trackers, and even online courses teaching people how to leverage AI in their finances. Final thoughts and CTA, the power of AI and your vision. So what's the takeaway from all of this? The truth is, AI isn't about replacing you as a creator. It's about giving you superpowers. It's about working smarter, not harder. Before ChatGPT, my YouTube channel felt like a chaotic scramble. I was constantly playing catch-up, feeling overwhelmed and creatively drained. But now, my YouTube channel has strategy. It has structure. And most importantly, it has sustainability. Level up your YouTube game. So that's it, guys. That's how ChatGPT helps me run my entire YouTube channel. It's been a game changer for my workflow, my content, and honestly just my peace of mind. It's like having a whole team of experts working behind the scenes, brainstorming ideas, writing scripts, and optimizing everything for maximum impact. And listen, I know some of you are thinking, this AI stuff is moving fast, and you're right, it is. But that's why I'm so excited about it. The possibilities really are endless. And the more we can learn to leverage these tools, the more we can focus on what matters, creating awesome content and connecting with our audience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell because in the next episode of the AI CEO series, things are about to get even more interesting.